Hello, guys, and welcome back to Mindset Hustle. This is your boy Moses, as always. Today, I am coming your way again with another opportunity. This time, we are going to earn some free cryptos. Tell yourself free cryptos. Now, guys, this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how you can engage on this website I'm going to show you to earn free crypto tokens. Okay, guys. Now, the mistake a lot of you do is once you see the website, then you pause the video and then you go doing your own thing. So if you want to know how you can follow everything step by step and get your tokens and be able to withdraw it to your wallet or your Binance and exchange it for USDT, then watch this video every minute at a step. Don't skip it. Don't just see the website and then you jump and start going to do your own thing. All right, guys. So before I dive into today's video, let me quickly remove this plug out of the way. If this is your first time here on Mindset Hustle, do well to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon. Also, like this video, share it, and leave us a comment as always in the comment section. Now, I have a community on Telegram. You can join our community and get more information on a daily basis. And also, you can private chat me. I will leave all the details in the description of this video. Now, let's get right into the video. So, this is the website. Okay, let me say this is the landing page. Okay, so I'm now coming to reveal the website itself. So if you click on the link, the first link that you click on, this where the link will bring you. That one is for all of them. Once you click on the link, it's going to bring you here. Okay, guys. Now, when you get here, then you click on sign up, then it will take you to the main site. Okay, so this is kind of like a landing page. So now, if you see here, there's a get free crypto. Okay, get crypto by visiting ads, completing offers, inviting friends, and many more. Okay, so just by creating an account, so you are going to see it live. Just by creating an account, you'll be given some amount of crypto, and I'll withdraw that crypto right in front of you on this video so that you can see that it is possible to get your crypto straight to your Binance account or whichever wallet or exchange you are using. All right. So without wasting much time, let's get into details. So the first step is we have to sign up. So click on sign up, as I said, to bring you here and check to be sure that you are not a robot. Okay. Then what you are going to do now is you are going to enter your email, your password. I beg, create a different. Let me show you guys this thing. Create a different email for this sort of things. Okay. Don't use your real email for this kind of things. Have emails that you use for these online stuff, and don't use passwords that you use for your business emails and your personal emails. Don't use the password that you use for them for these sort of things. Okay, these things should also have their own passwords. Okay, these things should also have their own passwords. They shouldn't share the same password with your actual email. It's very important that you take note of this. Okay, guys. All right. So I'm going to use the email that I always use for this thing. So I'm going to use that. Just copy and paste here. Then I'll enter a password. Okay. I'm going to enter a password. So you choose password that is very strong. So you should mix numbers and words. So I realized something yesterday when I was creating my account. I realized that this site does not allow special characters. Okay, it does not allow special characters in its password. So if you use special characters like at, hash, and those things, it will tell you wrong character in your password. Okay, so it's just numbers and alphabet. You miss caps and normal small letters. All right. Okay, so here the shape we can see here is the O shape. Okay, the oval shape, the circle, and then the square. So you select them. Okay, select them, then click on confirm. All right, so once you are done with that, you click on register. Oh, they said okay. So that should be dot. Coming, they said my password does not match, so I have to look at that again. All right. All right, so let's try that again. So they'll bring you, wait for this count to get to 0, then they'll bring the captcha for you to solve. Okay, I'll bring the captcha for you to solve. All right, so here we can see this shape here is this one. Okay, so we select all of them and click on confirm, click on register. All right, so here you can see success. So our account has been registered and we need to confirm our email. Okay, so I'm going to confirm my email. So let me just check my email for the verification email. So guys, give me some few seconds. So whilst I do that, if today is your first time here on Mindset Hustle, do well to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime we release a new video, you will be notified that Mindset Hustle has released a new video. Okay, guys, Mindset Hustle has released a new video. Also share this video with your friends and on social media, various social media handles. Okay, so that other people will also get the opportunity to get some free crypto, and you as well, you benefit from them signing up as well. So share this link, you share this video and your link with others so that they can also join this particular wonderful opportunity. All right, guys. Okay, so here is my verification. So account activated. We need to log in now. Okay, guys, so you log in using our password that we created. All right, then you solve the captcha problem here. So you wait for the countdown to be complete, and then you now log in, you solve the captcha. So here we can see this shape. You select all shapes, confirm that, then we click on confirm. All right, so success. So here we are on our dashboard. Okay, so the wonderful thing here is that you can perform other tasks and earn more points. Okay, you earn more points or drops. Okay, you earn more points or drops. So Okay, yesterday when I did it, I had 1,000 and something points. Today, I think the point has increased. So this is what determines the equivalence of the point converted to Ripple. Okay, so this uh, site pays you in XRP, which is Ripple. Okay, so as you can see, they said, notice your XRP wallet is not set. Please set it first to receive payout. So I'm going to go to my Binance account. I'll copy my Ripple address. Okay, so here is my Ripple address. Click right there. Okay, close this ad. Then you come here and then you paste your Ripple address. Then the destination tag is the same as memo. If you go to Binance, you see memo is the same as the destination tag. It's just some numbers. Okay, it's just some numbers. Okay, you see number like this. So guys, this is my Ripple address. If you think this video is you like this video and the opportunity, you can send some Ripple, show some love to the channel and send some Ripple to us. Okay, all right, so you click change wallet and then you can see success. So here you can see your wallet address and your tag. Okay, now let's go back to the dashboard. Let me now walk you through a few things. Forget about these ads. Okay, that's what they also used to get the money they are using to pay you. So here they're saying hi, so and so and so. Okay, and this is the point they have given me. Okay, after we verify everything. So as you can see, this is a new account, so there's no invited friends and there's no total payout yet. But as I said, I'll be withdrawing this, but I'll earn some few this thing right now in front of you. I'm going to show you how you can earn more drops in addition to your balance every day, and then you withdraw it to your wallet and make good gains out of that. All right, okay, so let's go on. I don't want to make this video long. So here on your dashboard, you can come to the blog sessions and then you do some 1 or 2 tasks. Then here, this is my most important part. Me, I like easy things. You come here and you can just do some visiting of websites. You click on some website links, or you can self capture and those things, but I prefer this one. I like simple things. So I'll click visit websites and then it will load up. Scroll down a bit. Okay, yeah, so you can see they say visit. Click button to visit our sponsor or advertiser. So what happens is people pay for advertisement with this site so that they'll get traffic to their website. So it's part of that money they are paying you cents off. So here they say if you visit this, you get 140 points in addition to this. So you click visit. So watch here. You can see the top here is counting 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and that is it. You can now close that site. Then you come back. Then you click visit more sites. Now watch what will happen. You can see they've given you 150 points, okay, which is equivalent or estimated to 88.50 drops. So it will be added to this guy. So you click visit website again. So right here in front of you, you can see I am just making some cool coins for myself. So the timer is over. I close this again. I click visit more websites. You can see my points have increased. I do it again. So you can do this as much as you want. Just you can do this for like 1 hour, and then you go and come another 1 hour. You come, or after some 2 hours, you come and do another 30, 15 minutes. Okay, and then you just gather some repos, accumulate some repos for yourself. I do visit more sites. Then I click on visit. Okay, so this will be the last one I'll do for this video because I don't want to make the video long. Okay, then close that and you do visit more sites. Then you see your balance will now increase. Okay, so that is enough. All right, so now as I said we will withdraw. You withdraw right on this video. Okay, live on this video. So to withdraw, you come to here, this button here, withdraw button here. Okay, guys, and then you click withdraw. So they said all account balance will be sent to your Ripple account. Are you sure? You click yes. Then you wait. They say payment has been sent. Click OK. All right. So what happens is most of the time this will take some few block, what they call it, block confirmation, as we call it in crypto, for the token to reach your wallet. Okay, for the token to reach your wallet. So you can come to transaction where they say transactions. You click there so that you can see the transaction that you have done. That is your withdrawal. So you can see it here. So you can trace this on the Ripple scan. Okay, so here successful. You can click here to check it on the Ripple scan. So I'm going to go to my Binance account and see if my token has come. If it has come, then I'll show you live here. Okay, so I'll wait and see if it has been confirmed, because it has to be confirmed on the block before it will show in my wallet. Okay, it has to be confirmed on the block before it will show in my wallet. So that's what I'm waiting for. Okay, that's what I'm waiting for. All right, so if it is delaying, I would not do this thing. I would not like to waste too much time on the site here, so that what will happen is I'll send a screenshot of the successful deposit to the Telegram page. So if you're not on the Telegram page, you can, the link will be in the description of this video. You can join and you'll see the proof of deposit right there. Okay, it has come. So let me just quickly show you. So this is my Binance account. So I'm going to refresh this transaction history page so you can see the deposit. So you can see deposit right now. You can see it over there. Today is 17th. So you can see the Ripple. Look at the amount. Now let's go back to this place. Look at the amount, 0.001125. Let's go back to Binance. What do you see? 0.001125. So there you go. It is legit. And it is what paying. As you can see, I just withdraw right here live on this particular stream. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, share it, leave us a comment, enjoy your free Ripple, because I'm going to do more tax and earn more Ripple for myself. Let me, I like free money. I've been telling you guys, this is, somebody will see this as small money, but everybody knows that little drop of water makes a mighty ocean. Disclaimer, don't forget, this video is for tutorial purposes, and make your own research before you decide to engage on this site. See you in the next video.